one expects the unexpected. No one, that is, but Colorado AutoBody. And nobody handles the unexpected better than we do. Your car is important to you, right? It's like your best friend, always willing to go anywhere you want to go. It goes to work with you, runs errands with you, even takes your kids to school with you. So when the unexpected does happen and that friendship is damaged, you can count and trust on Colorado AutoBody. We've been experts at restoring damaged relationships with cars for over 30 years. We know this can be a stressful experience, but we'll do our best to make it easy on you. We offer free pickup and delivery 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you don't have to deal with the stress alone. We'll even help you temporarily replace your vehicle by arranging a rental while the damage is being repaired. And what about all those nosy folks asking endless questions about repairing your vehicle? We'll take care of that too. We have outstanding relationships with all major insurance carriers, and we can respond to those questions to ensure your vehicle is restored to mint condition. Let Colorado AutoBody take the lead so you don't have to. And if you need non-collision repair, we can handle it all. From bumpers to wheels, paintless dent repair to full body restoration, Colorado AutoBody has you covered. All of our technicians are trained professionals with extensive manufacturer and industry training. And we're proud to offer a lifetime warranty on all auto body work. And with over 30 years in business, that's a warranty you can count on. Call Denver's premier auto body repair today at 303-361-6942. Experience first-class, hassle-free customer service that our customers have come to expect. You'll be glad you did.